In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the basic functions of the Fodsports T1. Step 1. Power on off. Press and hold the power button and mode button for 3 seconds. Pairing method 1. When the device is powered off, press and hold the power button and mode button for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. Turn on the Bluetooth function and pair with Fodsports T1. The pairing is complete. Pairing method 2. When the device is powered on, press and hold the power button and the function button for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Turn on the Bluetooth function and pair with Fodsports T1. The pairing is complete. Play pause music, click the function button. Volume up, turn the knob right and keep holding it. Volume down. Turn the knob left and keep holding it. Play next. Turn the knob to the right once. Play previous. Turn the knob to the left once. Voice command. Long press the function button for 3 seconds. When a call comes in, press the function button once to answer. After the call, press the function button again to hang up. Reject call. Long press the function button for 3 seconds. Switch manual automatic answering calls. Press and hold the power button and function button for 3 seconds. And then press and hold the function button for 3 seconds when the red and blue lights are flashing. Radio on. Double-click the function button. Next channel. Turn the knob to the right once. Previous channel. Turn the knob to the left once. Radio off. Double-click the function button.